Here we go, let's see what happens. I will unplug it because I don't really trust this thing. Lovely smell of burning wires. Not quite sure. Let that run a bit longer. Let's see. Yeah, water's a little bit warm, so the microwave still works as a concept, but that's pretty much it. And it's nowhere near as warm as if you would put it into a proper working microwave, so I'm going to try one more thing before I dismantle it, is pull that cardboard cover off, and that's where it's arcing, so just have a look behind. Oh, I got the piece of cardboard cover off. I wouldn't say it's cardboard, it's like paper, laminated stuff, high voltage, high temperature insulation. And if you look in there, you can see where the magnetron's like right up here, and it goes, the waves go down at an angle, and it's all burnt in there, so I guess this one won't be getting fixed. Well, before I completely dismantle it, I guess we'll see if the various objects we're going to put inside will be microwaved, or the magnetron will microwave itself to death. So we got some burnout light bulbs, those in there. Some small capacitors, put those also in there. What else we got? We got there we go. Got a bolt, another piece of bolt, another broken off bolt, and a piece of what's left of a ferrite core. I mean, might as well. Interesting. Very interesting. Ah, lovely magic lights. Now it seems, even though we have rubbish in it that shouldn't be in there, it seems like it has fixed itself for some reason. Now, all I did was remove this thing, which goes right there. So, you know, let's pull that stuff out and turn it on. There's nothing in it. Maybe it works properly now. So I've removed all the junk inside and put the same cup of water in it to see if it works any better. Seems to be working properly now. Let that run for another couple seconds and pull out the water, see if it's warmed up any. Well, it's been a minute, still working. Seems to be working alright. Let's have a look inside. So yes, it has fixed itself and our water is boiling. So anyway, the problem that was thrown out is because this, for some reason this, which is like a splatter shield so you don't get junk on the magnetron up in there, has either it's got an oil or grease on it or something, and it's become conductive, and the magnetron's reacting to it and it's burning itself out. So it's all that causes microwaves to get thrown out. So yeah, we'll put some more stuff in and have another. So how about a vacuum motor impeller? This is aluminum. Put there, put it on the turntable, maybe it'll rotate. And let's put 1 minute for it. It is rotating on the turntable. What's left of it. Don't know if the camera's picking it up, but sadly there's no interesting arcing of any kind, so that wasn't all that quite entertaining. And it's not even warm. So, how about a circuit board that goes on the yoke of a CRT TV? Lovely. Faster popping. Lovely, we have flames. You can only imagine how nice that smells, the smell of burning electronics. Let's inspect the damage, shall we? Is that up? So we got some burning on the traces right there, between the big heat sinks, and got one of the diodes to explode right there. All the diodes seem to have burned out. And for our finale, we have this 250 volt, 680 microfarad Rubicon capacitor. Pretty sure it's not oil filled or anything, but we'll have a go. Put it in there and let it microwave itself. Got our lovely high voltage hum. The shaded fan right there. Shaded fan pole motor. Whatever you call it. Been in there for like half a minute, so there we go. Finally have popping. It's done. Plug it just in case. Very slightly warm, that's about it though. So I guess we'll finish this video off. It's probably gonna be quite long. So, yeah. I really don't want to scrap this microwave now since it's working properly. I have some good fun with that, but I kind of want to go to a scrapyard in 2 days and get my lovely scrap pile bigger. So for some future videos, I have this. It's a water pump I got from the tip. It's an old Armstrong pump powered by a Baldor industrial electric motor. And this is going to make an interesting video. I'm not going to give away what it is, but maybe some of you know who it is. So I was going to show it to you for a few seconds. So yeah. That's it for this video, and thanks for watching.